Today we'll be trying on these press-on nails from Nailbliss. This is a professional gel nail kit and I got this from Sally Beauty Supply and it's in the style stiletto and the color is metallic rainbow and it comes with 30 nails of different sizes. It also has pink gel glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. Let's read what the directions are, as this is my first time trying on this specific brand. So for the application, we first clean our nails with nail polish remover, select correct size nail for each finger, and set aside in order. There are numbered nail sizes under each tip. Then we apply the glue to the natural nail and then apply the glue to the back of the gel nail. And then align the gel nail with the cuticle. Press and hold lightly for 5 seconds. And for removal, do not pull the nails off. Trim the gel nails and buff surface to remove protective top coat. Soak nails in acetone polish remover until they are soft. Wipe away softened nails and glue. Okay, let's check this out. So this is what it looks like. Comes with this nail glue, the file, and the manicure stick. So the first thing I do is make sure my fingernails are cut all the way down, and then I clean it with nail polish remover, or you can use acetone as well. Either one. Just make sure your fingernails, the nail beds, are not oily, because they will not last as long if your nail beds are oily. And the next thing you want to do is use this manicure stick to push back the cuticles like this all the way. So when you put on the press-on nails, it fits in right in there and doesn't create problems. So you do that for all the nails, and then just make sure they're filed. And also afterwards, another good tip to try for press-on nails to stay on longer is to buff the nails, the top of it, lightly, just so it's not oily. It's gonna be more dry and everything will stick together much better and last longer. And then I will have to cut this nail glue afterwards, and these are the nails. So the way you pick what's good for your nails is you put the nail down and you make sure it's not touching your skin, but it's also covering the whole nail. And there are numbers behind here. This one's number 7. And tells you what number they are so you can remember it faster, or choose the same number for your other hand as well. And now I will pick all the nails that go with my nails and we'll be right back. I'll also be cutting this nail glue too. So I'll be organizing my nail size and cutting this, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I've organized all the nails according to my fingers from pinky to thumb on both hands, and cut this nail glue tip. So we'll begin putting on the nails. Now I like to start with the pinky nails because you use your thumb a lot to press, so it's just more convenient to start off with the ends. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll be putting on glue on my natural nail first, like that. And then I'll be putting glue on this nail. And I'm making sure to cover it as much as I can so no air bubbles form when I put it on my nails. Let's see. So you slide it in there like that and make sure it's in the right place, and once it is, you press on it. For a couple of seconds and just make sure it's stuck on there. And that's it. Let's move on to the next finger, the pinky on my right hand. Okay. Oh, this one looks like a little glue seeped out. You can always use acetone to remove that. I've seen similar nails by other brands as well. So besides Nailbliss, there's Kiss Nails, Impress Nails, Dashing Diva, Marmalade Nails, Static Nails. They all have good press-on nails that you guys can try. Okay, we're done with the pinkies. Now we're moving on to the ring finger. And we're going to be putting on the accent nail on this finger. Make sure there's enough glue. Oh, is there? If it gets harder, you can always cut the glue more to make sure you're getting enough. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's go on to this accent nail. Okay. Oops. And we make sure it's in the right place that we want it to be. And then we press on it. Okay, we're almost halfway there. Now the middle finger. Another thing to keep in mind is to not get your nails wet for at least an hour after you've done your nails, just so your nails have had a chance to dry. Just press it hard like that. Just so I can give it a lot more time to dry and bond, I like to do my nails at night so that while I'm sleeping, my nails can have a chance to bond really well and I don't have to be using them. Okay, let's put it on the nail. Like that. Make sure it's in there. Okay. Just the index finger and the thumb for both hands is left. Okay. Okay. Make sure it's the way you like it. It's aligned. Like that. Next one. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, please, glue, come. Okay. Okay. Just the thumbs left and then we'll be done. Okay. It's a beautiful color. Okay. One last finger left and we'll be done. Okay. Oops. Come on, you can do it, glue. Almost there. Okay. It's in the right place. Okay. Okay, we're done now. And at the end, I like to just reinforce the nails again by just pressing them in again. Just to make sure they're all on there. Okay, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys like these nails. And I will also put down links to different press-on nail sites for discounts that you can get. There's a lot of different options you can choose from. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye!